Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your video background using Filmora application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to put on the background. I'm going to add the background to my project, and the second one, I'm going to add this video. Okay, and wait, let me cut this video to make it align with my first video. Alright, and then we're going to remove the background of this video. So I'm going to choose AI portrait cutout. Okay, and then I'm going to wait for a moment guys, it's still processing. The AI will remove the background of your video automatically, and make sure you have internet connection because we need internet connection to use this AI portrait cutout. Okay guys, now it's done. As you can see that the background of this video has been changed. Okay, and that's all the way to change video background using Filmora. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.